Ross.
I'm recording.
Alright, let's watch this.
Oh.
Woo! Woo! Bang, bang!
You know what to do, people. Get off that like and then give us subscribe. Give us 1 million likes as well. He said hi.
Who's this girl laughing? Hello.
She had said hello.
Oh God.
It's no. I'm ticklish. Today,
Ticklish on his baby. Let me record it now.
No, wait. I'm gonna record this one.
Oh wow, are you ticklish here? Are you ticklish? Are you ticklish there? What?
Gets his lighter working. He's gonna light one.
Do more little ones, Ross. Want to do some little fireworks?
Oh, I want to watch.
Tiny ones. I want one. Yeah. Me too.
Me three.
Do all of them.
We need another lighter.
I'm recording this. I'm recording
We
this.
all have two. We can all have two, I think.
I think they just did. After you use them too many times for a short amount of time, you need like a reset.
Isn't that cool? They had them lighters. Let me shoot it up.
It looks like there's enough for two.
That one in my
Whoa.
There is enough for two.
Jason has some.
What? No. You scared
No,
me.
those
bro.
are the short ones. I ain't about that. Yeah, no.
Yeah, those scare me.
Those are the ones that scare me.
Take it right from the bottom.
Just take it out the bottom.
Got it?
You got it? I was just like,
Yeah, they scare me.
yeah, because
Wait,
it's
don't
short.
move. I want to take a picture of it.
It's done.
Come on.
Oh yeah, mine is done. Wait, should I touch this?
It's gonna be hot. I don't know why it's turning, but I don't know. Alright, Ross, here's a bucket. You see where Calvin is? Here's a bucket.
Put in here.
No, I'll take it.
Calvin got a bucket
1, 2, 3, 4. There's only 4 of these. Guess what?
of Roman candles.
Yeah. Me and Ross and Calvin can have one, and you can be the last one, okay? You
Candles.
can have that one, okay? Me and Calvin.
So don't forget to give subscribe and give us 1 billion likes. Actually, 1 billion likes. Come on, oot. Come on. Oot. Come on, Marco. Trying to throw one of these things at me. Ah! Hey, let me see one. Can I see one, Daddy? Can I see one? Calvin. Look what I have. Calvin, no. Calvin, no.
Tyler threw them at me. That's a no-no, Tyler.
Can I see one? I'm scared. I'm too. Dang it. Let me see no. Just one.
Hold on, hold that. Gotta go check on my food.
On your bait.
On my mate.
Here.
I didn't see it. Don't waste all of her things.
Okay. Okay. They're scared. Oh, bye already. Mama trying.
This is making my stomach hurt.
Oh, let me go inside. Okay, this one's gonna be a good one. Oh yeah,
I'm gonna record.
you gonna record it?
Why you run like that? Wow.
Go in the dark glasses. Can you see in the dark?
I already can see.
Go, Marco, move, Marco, move. Show in shape.
Yay.
I know you can do better than that.
Kaboom.
Wow. Wow. Bye.